Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are a business owner, sales manager, freelancer, consultant or even running ads for your company, this video is going to save you a massive amount of time, energy and frustration. Because today we are going to talk about something nobody discusses properly. Why some leads never buy even after asking hundreds of questions. And if you are into the sales or marketing, you already know this pain. Someone comes into your WhatsApp, they ask about the pricing, features, packages, timelines, comparisons, even case studies. But your team spends hours following up and then suddenly they disappear. No reply, no decision, nothing. Now most businesses think that this is normal. But after observing hundreds of lead conversation, I realized something very important. Not all leads behave the same way. The biggest mistake businesses make is treating every lead equally. Now in this video, I am going to share 5 psychological patterns I have observed in leads and how you can identify serious buyers. The first pattern is information seekers versus the actual buyers. Some people genuinely enjoy collecting information. They ask everything, every feature, every comparison, every technical detail, but deep down they were never planning to buy immediately. They are just exploring, researching, comparing endlessly, and this is where businesses get emotionally trapped. Because whenever someone asks many questions, we automatically assume that they are interested. But curiosity is not equal to the buying intent. A serious buyer and an information seeker behave very differently. And once you have understand this difference, your sales team becomes much more efficient. Now the second pattern is very interesting. Urgent buyers usually behave very differently. Most people think the best lead is one asking most of the questions. But honestly, many high intent buyers actually ask fewer questions because they already know their problems. They are not exploring casually, they are looking for execution. Instead of asking random things, they ask practical questions like how soon we can start, how will be the process, how quickly can this be implemented, what results can we realistically expect. That's a completely different psychology. People with real urgency focus on solutions and not endless discussions. If you observe carefully, some of your best clients probably made decisions much faster than the leads who kept asking questions for 3 weeks. The third pattern is behavior analysis. Many times the lead already tells you whether they are serious or not through their behavior. For example, late replies, ignoring follow-ups, changing requirements again and again, suddenly disappearing after the quotation. Individually, these things may not mean anything, but pattern matters. Lead qualification is not about budget or requirement. It's about behavior, and smart businesses start identifying these signals early instead of wasting unlimited manual follow-ups on every single inquiry. Now the fourth point is something sales teams misunderstand all the time. Price questions do not always mean the same thing. There are mainly two types of people asking about the pricing. The first category is comparison shoppers. These people mostly focus on reducing price. They compare everything, they negotiate heavily before even understanding the value. The second category is decision ready buyers. They also ask about the pricing, but their mindset is different. Instead of saying, why is this expensive? They ask, how soon can we start and what package is suitable for my requirement? That difference is very important because the way someone asks about the pricing reveals their buying psychology. And once your sales team starts observing this properly, conversions quality improves drastically. Now the fifth and last point and the most important point. Most businesses lose money because they treat every lead equally. Same follow-up, same effort, same priority and same response flow. And honestly, that model is becoming outdated because today businesses are generating more leads than ever before. But the real problem is not lead generation anymore. The real problem is identifying which lead actually deserves human attention. Because if your sales team spends hours on low intent leads, eventually the response speed drops, team frustration increases, good leads get delayed and overall efficiency collapses. And that's why the future of sales is not just automation, it's intelligent qualification. Businesses need systems that can understand buyer intent, urgency, behavior patterns, and conversation quality, because sales team should prioritize probability, not politeness. And this is exactly where AI and lead intelligence systems are going to change how businesses handle sales conversations in the upcoming years. So, before chasing more leads, first understand the quality and psychology of the lead you already have. That alone can transform your conversation. If you found this video valuable, share with your business owners or sales professionals who need to hear this, and subscribe to our channel because we are going to discuss more about lead psychology, AI sales system, automation, and future of business communication. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.